We are Team Next Gen from Sri Krishna College of Engineering and Technology. We have developed a software-based hardware solution. Our problem statement states yoga, an essential daily routine, needs motivation and proper environment. Virtual reality can be the best solution to it. The user is advised to wear the VR wearable device. This device is made with innovative features to improve concentration while doing yoga and provides a smooth environment.
Now, talking about the hardware part, we have designed a VR wearable device using SolidWorks design software. Then, the VR is 3D printed by successively adding material layer by layer with the help of the computer control to print the 3-dimensional VR device. Now, we are disassembling the parts of a VR box. First, we open the sliding front cover. Next is the position adjuster, the internal focal lens housing, two mobile holding fixture. These are the internal gear mechanism consisting of minor gears, the optical lens adjustment wheel. This is the working of the phone positioning clips or mobile holding fixture on the upper and lower part of the VR box.
In order to avoid harmful light rays from mobile screen, we have designed a light ray protective filter screen LRPF which is placed on the either side of the biconvex lens. Unwanted light rays are filtered through protective filter screen and finally light ray enters human eye. Different environmental modes like bright mode and dark mode features are also included. When user feels too bright, they can shift the environment to dark mode and continue doing yoga.
Adding an innovative feature in hardware development, that is measuring the real-time body parameter. Few of the simple body parameters like body temperature and blood pressure level can be detected from the senses before or after doing yogasanas. We are using Particle Photon, a state-of-art microcontroller module with a fast processor within the size of our palm. At a miniature size, Particle Photon allows safe and secure access of cloud data. This data can be viewed by the user on the prototype VR device. This leads to the user towards better understanding of self, thereby allowing the user to improve physical, mental and social well-being.
Now let's see the pre-assembly analysis to identify all the aspects of design of individual components. Linear structure analysis is done for each and every internal component. The design is entirely drafted following MMGS units of SI system. The static simulation is performed based on the various physical parameters like respective component contacts and connections are defined. Each and every part of the design VR wearable device is simulated under various combinations of external loads. The results are displayed in mesh format. The stress-strain plot was analyzed and driven for further analysis. The proposed VR wearable device weighs 252.51 grams. The material to be used for the manufacturing purpose is ABS thermoplastic material, which has properties of highly abrasion resistant, lightweight and economically affordable. The field of view of proposed design is 105 degree. The gear mechanism can be used to adjust the FOV of biconvex lens and also the interpupillary distance between the two lenses. Manufacturing is proposed to be done through 3D printing. FDM technique is used to be followed for the product of high quality.
The software used to build the VR wearable device includes Unity Editor, Blender, Google VR, SolidWorks and Visual Studio. The application has been made more interactive by addition of voice commands and multiple characters to choose. Performing here is Pakshi Motasana in a natural environment with lush trees and grasses. User can choose any character and environment of their own choice. Performing here is Vrikshasana in a cozy environment home. All the characters and environments are designed and rendered using Blender and it is exported to Unity 3D. The dark hall is lit with candles for Tratak practices, commonly a focused meditation which involves staring at a single point such as a black dot or a candle flame. It helps in improving concentration and for better memory. Special features such as gaze interaction is also included in this application. It allows us to control the application by just gazing at the virtual buttons present in the application and switching scenes of our choice. Advanced features like gyroscopic walk is also included in this application. This allows us to control the VR wearable device by just tilting the device by 30 degrees toward the ground and moving around the virtual environment. Our health is in our own hands and we believe we can aid people having difficulties in prioritizing their time to relax amidst their tight schedule with yogic tools accessible at their convenient time and place. We hope to put forth a well-rounded and an authentic solution that introduces user to a virtual yoga experience unlike anything else anytime and anywhere. Once again, this is Team Next Gen from Sri Krishna College of Engineering and Technology here with you. Thank you.